Long time no see.
We're in Japan!
Country number 10.
Oh my god, double digits. It's crazy, man.
My most anticipated country I've ever wanted to come to in my life.
The vibes are high.
Yep.
We
a little tired,
in,
but we're pushing.
Yeah, we woke up real early, but landed here in the morning, dropped off our bags, got ramen.
It was so good. Yeah, I took a couple clips.
Oh, man.
But yeah, we're in Hiroshima to start. We're just exploring around the War Memorial and the Peace Park today. No real plan, and then yeah, tomorrow we have kind of a fun day trip planned. So it's gonna be a busy 3 weeks here in Japan. We're gonna try and get as much content as we can, and yeah, it's gonna be a lot of fun. Hopefully we can stay close to under budget.
Yeah, that's okay.
Second stop.
Second stop.
Yeah, we got some clips at the atomic bomb dome, but didn't really want to do any talking there. But this is the Hiroshima Castle. I don't think it's the original. I'm pretty sure the original was destroyed and it's just over there. And then this is the new one, but like crazy.
It's pretty.
We're not gonna pay to go in there, so we're on the other side of the moat.
But like also just it's not busy here. It's crazy.
No, it's empty.
Like we're the only ones here.
Huge
It's wild
fish.
that they sense that we're here, eh?
No, I don't think so.
You don't think so? I feel
No,
like
they were already there before.
No, they're all coming up. Look, I'll walk closer and yeah, I swear they're coming to them.
They were already all like that.
Look at them, they know I'm here.
We actually were just kind of able to walk in here. And we're pretty sure this is the old castle grounds. Yeah, we're on like the island surrounded by the moat now. Admission price is to go inside. So we're just gonna take it in.
Nice that we could even get this close.
Yeah, it's beautiful. So it turns out we are actually perfect timing.
Just for some, we see what, like
4 trees? Yeah, where did you get 8? Oh, I see 5.
4, 5. Okay, sorry.
6.
6. Thank you.
Okay, so we're meet in the middle. We're both right.
Okay, 6. But like, I imagine cherry blossom season in Japan is so much busier, and maybe it will be when we get to Kyoto or whatever. But like, there's not that many people here. And they're so.
Stop for a little coffee break.
We realized we've been up for 12 hours.
12
and it's
hours.
only 3 o'clock. So.
Yeah, we got a little bit to go. We're trying to make every day super full here, but we're just chilling by the river. That's the atomic dome over there. Yeah, honestly, way less busy than I think we thought it was gonna be, which is kind of nice. So.
There's a couple big tour groups, but not bad.
And everyone's respectful here. It's nice and quiet and peaceful.
Yeah, I'm loving it here already. Another one.
Alright, now we're gonna explore Hondori. Sam learned a little bit about Hiroshima today.
Lots.
Lots.
Yeah, Keegan's hungry. He's gonna get some food. Why are you smiling like that?
I just think you're pretty.
Oh. Keegan's hungry, so we're gonna find some food, and no, I honestly could probably eat too. So.
Uh-oh.
No, we can't. Not in the budget.
Well, you know the deal.
How much is $1? Or how much is $1?
How much is $1?
$6.80?
Yeah, that's not bad.
Not bad.
Hiroshima Neighbourly Brewing. Found one. It only took a day. First dinner. Got like cold noodles.
I got some wraps.
$9.
Yeah, $9 Canadian, so it's not bad.
Yum. We are staying at the Santiago guest house, and it's just a hostel. We're in a 24-bed hostel. How'd you sleep?
two people were snoring like this all night, and then the person near Keek was like this.
Lighter note than that last clip.
Yeah,
it's
sorry.
like 15 degrees and sunny already. It's beautiful.
It's quiet. We got up and early up and up. What?
Up and Adam, and we're heading to Miyajima for the day. The best thing for the budget.
Had to be done.
And there's no breakfast options really.
No, unless we go to like, but we kind of looked at the corner stores last night. And
Yeah, that's what I mean. Like they don't have eggs. It's like noodle bowls for breakfast.
Yeah, everyone's so sorry.
And if you know, a McGriddle a day keeps the doctor away.
Yeah.
Just on a walk to the train station, and look what we see. These are so in bloom. It's incredible.
Pretty. Yeah, the other ones I feel like we're on the beginning or the end. I think.
Yeah.
Wow.
Just got off the Sanyo Line train, and we're gonna head to the JR ferry to go to Miyajima.
Yay! Oh my god, it's beautiful out. Look at you in a t-shirt.
It's gonna be lots of people.
Yeah, it's gonna be busy, but it'll be pretty. It'll be pretty.
This is Japan.
Japan. Oh my gosh.
That was easy.
So easy. Train and a ferry.
Yep.
And we're here. It's beautiful out.
Just over $7 each to get here.
Yeah.
But I mean, look at this place.
Oh my gosh, it's so pretty.
Yeah, we got lunch already. We got it in our bag, so we're just gonna take our time and explore. We were gonna do the Mount Meeson summit, but I forgot to tell Sam that we would maybe do a hike, and she's wearing jeans.
I mean, they're stretchy jeans, but still, I
Well,
don't.
she hasn't slept good in 3 days,
No.
so.
Thank you.
There's so many deers here. Just everywhere. And yeah, they're not as like touristy as the Nara ones is what I gather.
Yeah. I mean, they're definitely used to people being here, but.
Yeah. Not bothered though.
Oh, look at this guy getting something on.
Lunch in the park.
Lunch
You
in
look good in the sun.
Thank you, baby.
We got an egg sandwich and a tuna mayo onigiri and a chicken sandwich.
Oh yeah,
I'm
look
actually
at him.
excited.
I feel like he's like, yo, you got food? Look at him, he's chewing his
And
mouth.
onigiri.
Where to open my food here?
You're so sweet, little one. Hello.
Oh my god.
Hi. Hello.
Wow. I love this island.
Might be wrong, but they kind of look like pufferfish to me.
I don't know what pufferfish look like though.
They look skinny and small until they puff up. But they have those funny little wing or flipper things.
A flipper thing.
What are they? Fins. God, I'm an idiot. Just exploring another park. We're here, we might as well use the day. Fueled. Someone's a little tired, but
It's okay.
3 nights of not
Nothing.
sleeping.
Nothing a craft beer can't fix.
So, 2 large, 1.
Nothing like a craft beer, great company, and a beautiful view. Yeah, sorry I didn't. Cheers. Cheers.
Take a picture of them though.
Oh, okay.
Like with the... Goodbye, Miyajima. We had a great day. There were more dolphins again, but oh, I just saw them. Wow, that's crazy.
Oh my god, oh my god.
Keep coming.
Oh my god.
Wow, you say the word and they appear.
No.
I am the Dolphin Daddy. New inaugural title I'm giving myself. Say the word dolphins, you see them. Now they're gone. See, I said it again and they're gone. Dinner is served at our favorite restaurant.
Convenience store spaghetti. It was like what? $10?
And I got same as last night with a couple little nuggies or something on the side. Protein!